This is Dr. Tahir Kudrati from STFA Scientific Training Fitness Academy, and I hope you all are doing great and maintaining good health. So we've been doing a lot of workshops on education for fitness trainers, fitness professionals, for nutritionists. This time we are coming up with a workshop which is actually a workshop for everybody across the board. So this would be a workshop which a doctor can do, an engineer can do, a housewife can do, a student can do. Basically anybody and everybody can do this workshop. So what's this workshop all about? So this is a workshop on fat loss. The most heated, the most discussed, the most studied topic in the world today, fat loss. So what are you going to learn in this workshop out of fat loss, and why is this workshop for everybody? So I'll give you a simple example. Let's say you, your brother, your sister, your relative, your child, your grandchild got very poor marks in one subject. Okay? There could be many reasons. The most commonest reason, he or she did not study. But what if the teacher did not teach? The teacher did not teach nicely. Your child didn't understood. Or he understood, okay, but he didn't revise it. Or he revised it, but during the exams he got all confused and stressed and he forgot everything. So her poor performance was related to multiple factors. That's exactly the same thing with fat loss, or rather with fat gain and with fat loss. Most of us say, I'm not eating much, I'm eating a balanced food, but yet I'm gaining weight. Maybe that's not your reason for gaining weight. You are eating those foods which you should not be eating, and you are cutting out things which you should actually be eating more. So this workshop will teach you to analyze your reasons for your fat gain. Whether it's food related, whether it's stress related, hormone related, lifestyle related, there are multiple factors. Same way when it comes to fat loss. Most of us say, I'm going for a morning walk 1 hour every day, I'm only eating 3 balanced meals in a day, but I am just not losing weight. I have stopped gaining weight, but I'm not losing any weight. Correct? What could be the reason? So maybe you have a hormonal issue, maybe you have a metabolic issue. So till you do not correct that, you're not going to lose weight. So this is exactly what this workshop is all about. This workshop is all about fat loss, where you're going to understand what is your probable reason for you gaining weight in the first place, and what is your drawback or what is your blockage in losing that weight. So we welcome you all to this wonderful workshop on fat loss, which is happening on Saturday and Sunday, 5th and 6th of December 2020 from 2 p.m. onwards. This workshop will be conducted by Shweta Basin ma'am, the HOD of Nutrition at STFA, and co-assisted a little bit by me also. So I'll be here and there in between in the workshop. Okay, so see you all on Saturday and Sunday, 5th and 6th of December, 2 p.m. on this exciting workshop on fat loss. For further details, you can contact the Academy office. We'll give you all the details soon about it.